接下来是我的晚上班了。OK， 我是教 Science 的 G3 Science。那我们也是花了很短的时间才预备这个 show 给大家看。OK， 好。他们要表演的是一个非常普通的科学实验，让我们欢迎 G34。
Scientist is a person who investigates to learn more about God's creation. To tell you the truth, we never, ever do science experiment in Abraham. Never in class. So today is a special day. We're doing it for you. Never.
How do scientists work? When a scientist learns something new, he always follows an orderly, step-by-step process called the scientific method. Here are the steps.
First, scientists observe and ask questions. Scientists are very good at watching or observing their field of study. This is how their investigations begin. Second, scientists form a hypothesis. Excuse me, what I mean was hypothesis. Scientists make a reasonable explanation about how or why something will happen. You might make a guess like this. If I try this, I believe certain things will happen. This kind of sensible guess is called a hypothesis. Oops, not again. Chop chop, everybody wake up. What I mean was hypothesis.
Third, scientists experiment and gather data. A hypothesis is just a reasonable guess, not a scientific fact. They design clear experiments to test each hypothesis. As scientists work, they write down all the new facts they are learning. We call this collection of facts data.
Fourth, scientists study data and reach conclusions. Scientists can prove their hypothesis if the new data they have collected matches their prediction or what they thought would happen.
Brian! We don't have a partner to match this.
Scientists must try many experiments before they can find a new scientific idea or theory. Today we're going to challenge a science experiment. Observe air pressure. All air has weight or air pressure. Let's see how this experiment works. Here is what we need. Funnel. Baking powder. Balloon. Bottle of vinegar. Fill halfway.
Here are the steps. Number 1. Using a funnel. Put some baking powder into the balloon.
Number 2. Place the balloon opening over the vinegar bottle top so that it fits tightly. Being careful not to spill the baking powder into the bottle yet.
Number 3. Tip the balloon so that all the baking powder pours into the vinegar. Number 4. Write a sentence describing what you see.
The baking powder and the vinegar react with each other and produce the gas carbon dioxide.
这语音你可能会需要哦。
As the carbon dioxide molecules fill the balloon, air pressure is created to inflate
inflate the balloon.
You really need it.
Now, please clap.
好，刚才他们说的其实是实话。我们其实很多时候在 Abraham 上的 Science 课都是用 PowerPoint 啊、PPT 啊，或者是 Props， 就是道具啊，或者是 Video 来呈现，很少有时间可以允许我们做科学实验。所以我真的很 surprise， 为什么呢？因为这么一个小的、很普通的一个实验，大家可以在班上玩一个不亦乐乎哈。所以谢谢我们 Science 为我们带来的 Science Experiments。Thank you. Goodbye. 我们每一场都有准备，对。那他们今天一直在告诉我说，我爸爸妈妈做7了，我可不可以真的喷啊？我说不可以，因为这里面是醋。